What's going on, everybody? Beat here, back again with another tutorial. In this video we are going to be going through the library gateway realistic. Okay, so in this scenario we are facing an issue where you have a friend of yours that is taking a book from a library, and the library keeps sending him messages, mails, asking him to return the book. So they want you to do something about it. All right, so I'm just gonna go here, open it in a new tab, and the first thing I did here was to check if there was something from source code, and as you can see, there's absolutely nothing. So I went ahead and clicked on login, and then obviously first thing you try is type that try if there is a SQL injection possible. When here, like here, you put admin. I tried admin, and then I put apostrophe, nothing. Here, nothing. And then I came here, I copied this, pasted. Okay, that means there is no SQL injection, or there may be a SQL injection, but it doesn't seem to be obvious. Okay, so the next thing was to go through the source code and then analyze the source code. It's not very lengthy. If you check here, it's not lengthy at all, so you could go through it easily. So when you go through it, you're gonna see that there is a form. Okay, the form is probably this one. Obviously, it gotta be this one. Okay, and you see here, you're gonna enter username and password, and then you have your submit button. Okay, but also you gotta notice here that the form, there's an action on the page on this URL, and the method is post, and then when you click submit, on submit there's a load image, which is a function. Okay, so we gotta have to go and look to see what's going on in that function. So when you come here, this is the function, load image. This is the function. So when you come to this function, you see that it's taking a username, document that get element by ID, username.value, password.value, and then here in a weird way you see that there is there's something weird going on here. Member slash username space password. Okay, so the thing I did here was put this .html. That's what I did first time. So I came here and I put here members.html, which obviously didn't work because I had to notice that here it was not HTML. You gotta make sure you notice this is HTML, not HTML. But then I found out that this could also be a folder. So what I did is I just removed this, and then I just kept it as a folder, and I hit enter. Now here you see that there is like if you get here, you see that the URL is members. It takes the username and the password. Okay, it takes the username then the password. So I came here, and this looks basic. Like you see Anna and you see God, so this is obviously username, password, because it's .htm. So Dayfish, our friends, you gotta find something. Jack, Cack, that's okay. Then obvious, and then when you notice here that you got a librarian and sweet little books. Okay, so what I did here was to guess that this is probably the username and this was the password. So I went here. I'll open it again here. So it is librarian. So here it's librarian, and the password is sweet little books. So sweet little books, and I hit enter, and it wrote correct. And that's how you easily solve the librarian gateway realistic. Okay, if you learned something, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell in order not to miss anything I post. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.